On the tip. Use the radius. It's the tip. There you go. Now remember, when you do that, you're supposed to feed it out a little bit.
Yeah, but how do you get a nice arc?
I think I'm going the right direction again.
It's all about heat control and hammering it to the right angle.
What direction are you going in,
I
Allison?
think I'm going the wrong direction.
Let's see. Let's look at it. Show the viewers.
It's going the wrong direction.
It is going the right direction. It's going opposite of the curl, right? Are you making the hook that we learned about?
Nice shape right
You're
here.
going in the right direction. It's just get it hot right in there and bend it.
Okay.
You're going in the right direction. Milton, will you put your safety glasses over your beautiful eyeballs? Thank you very
If
much.
this is colder and this is hotter, this is going to move back and you're going to have that nice curve still there. I wouldn't get that hot at all.
I love doing this.
Joe, what's your idea for lunch?
Nothing to say. Really? Are you ill?
We like bar food, you know. Couple of buns.
What would you do? Just a little movie. That's right. Sooner or later you'll just learn when Holly comes by with the camera, just keep doing.
Keep doing.
Yeah, the boys do it all the time.
I want